I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device can sometimes be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. Follow these steps to get your device up and running smoothly. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the settings on your Orange 2026 device. This is usually found by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Select Network and Internet. Once in the settings, look for the Network and Internet option. This is where you can manage all your connections. Step 3. Choose Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi to view available networks. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. You should see a toggle at the top of the screen. Step 4. Connect to your network. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm connection. Once connected, you should see a checkmark next to your network name. You can also check the status in the top corner of your screen for the Wi-Fi icon. Now you're all set. If you run into any issues, double check your password and ensure the device is within range of the router. Happy browsing!